Okay, this is our second tutorial for the mantle clock face. We're going to look at using Adobe Illustrator to vectorize our image. So I've already saved my clock face image that I wanted to vectorize onto my desktop, and I'm going to open that up now in Illustrator. So to open that up, File, Open, or you can just drag a photo in from your desktop. I'm going to find mine, which is Crimson Tide. It's saved as a PSD. I want to flatten the layers to a single image. If you didn't convert the layers before when you saved your original file, then this option might allow you to bring this multiple layers into one single layer. For this, I already compressed my layers and merged them together, but just make sure that this box is selected. Flatten layers to a single image, press OK, and it's going to open up my file. So here we have the file that's been inverted, but it's currently just a raster image. Now what that means is the laser can't read the image based on just the way that the image is created using colors. We need to turn this into a vector image, which allows the laser to, through G-code, pick up all the different little mathematical plot points in the image, and that's how the laser will work on an X and Y basis to etch and cut the image. So to do that, we need to make sure that our object is selected. If you like, you can get rid of the white artboard in the background just by simply going View, Hide Artboards, and that way we all have all of our canvas, if you will, to be so it's not going to be off center or anything like that. So we've removed our artboards, we've got our image selected. We need to turn this into a vectorized image. So we've got it selected. We're going to go Object up the top, down to Image Trace, and hit Make. Because it's a large image, it might take a little bit of time. That's fine. I'm going to click OK. Alright, you'll notice that this side panel changed. You need to make sure that this box, the Open the Image Trace panel, that should now be available for you because we need to change some settings in here. I'm going to click on that. Everything stays the same here. Yours, when you open yours up, this might be closed. You need to open the Advanced tab. Very crucial that you click Ignore White. That has to be selected. Everything else stays the same, but you must check Ignore White. Once that's checked, come down back to your right side panel and click Expand. Once that's done, we can close off that box, and you can see now if I drag that image around, it's left me with a red outline showing that that has now been vectorized. Every edge where white becomes black has been given a vectored outline, and that's what the laser will read. And I've made sure that I've included the black border through my previous tutorial of showing how to invert the image. That's allowed us to now have a border for the laser to cut as well. Saves us having to cut it ourselves. The laser will cut it accurately. Okay, now you just have to simply go File, Save As. You must save it as the right files. Mine, I'm happy with the name, but we do not want an AI file. It needs to be an EPS file. So down the bottom in Format, you need to change that to Illustrator EPS. Make that selected. Change yours to your name. So rather than Crimson Tide, I'm going to change it to Ravel. You must change it to your name as well. Make sure it's an EPS, click Save. Yes, I will replace that. Okay, this is important. Version, change that to Illustrator 8 EPS. Preview format, change that to none. And uncheck every box. So Illustrator 8 EPS, my format is none, and every box is unchecked that I can uncheck. Obviously these I can't change, so just leave it the way they are. All these are unchecked. I'm going to click OK. Saving this document in older format, may convert all. That's fine. It must be Illustrator 8. Click OK on that. And take that file, wherever you saved it to, and email it to me. Or email it to your teacher, and they will be able to send it through to the laser in order to get your clock face changed. And that's about it.